Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's see another example of HCF. This is another practical example. Let's read out this. A sweet seller has a 420 kaju barfis and 130 badam barfis. She wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number of items here. I mean, one stack of kaju barfis, another like badam barfis, and they take up the least space of the least area of the tray. What is the number of that can be placed in a stack for this purpose? So here, what does that mean stack? So let's say kaju barfis are placed one top of, let's say four kaju barfis are. This is called one stack one. So they wanted to have a minimum number of stacks here such that it will take the least space of the tray. So here let's say kajus. Next is what? Badam. And they will also take up the least space. To occupy the least space, what should we do? Here the condition is they should occupy the least area of the tray. So for that we need to increase the stack size here. Here stack size is 4, right? So how long should we, what is the maximum number that we should increase the stack size here? And both, if you see here, this stack size of badams and kajus should be the same. So here it is like, so 420 kajus, let's say stack size is x into, so kajus will take x, so each stack is x and will take few number of stacks. Let's say each stack size is x, then how many stacks will be there? That is like 420 divided by x, because each stack size is x. Similarly for 130. So here our task is to find out the what is the stack size that helps us to take the least space. Just for example, okay, for example, let's say if stack size is 1, then what happens? Badams will take 130 tray area and kajus will take 420 tray area. Let's assume the this tray has enough space to accommodate all this. But is this the least space? No. This is not optimal solution. Let's say for example, if we go with the stack size of 2, then it will take 75, at least half compared to previous one, and it will take 420, right? So it will take 210 stacks. So it is a bit less space. But is this the optimum? No. So to find out, we can't, this can be done by trial and error also. Let's say, and the next is we can try with 5 each stack, let's say 5 columns. Stack size is 5. In each stack we can place 5 badam barfis or 5 kaju barfis. Then how many stacks it will take? It is like 130 divided by 5. So 26 it will take, and similarly this also will take, but less only. But is this the optimal solution? No. So further to find it out, what do? We will find the HCF of 420 and 130. So that gives us the optimal solution, that how many barfis can be placed in each stack. Can be kaju barfi or badam barfi. So let's find out the HCF of 420 and 130. So this is the answer for our task, for our question here. This problem is expecting the maximum number of stack size that helps us to take the least space in the tray area. So as per Euclid's division, we know A is equals to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Here A is greater than B. So here what is the value of A is 420. So 420 is equals to B is 130. So how many times here? 3 times. So 100, 300, 390. So 3 times is 390, and so what is the remainder here? 420 minus 390, 30. So next is remainder is 0. No, it is not 0. So again we continue the process. Here A will become 130 and B will become the remainder, that is 30. How many times it is? 4 times. 120. So 130 minus 120, so 10 is the remainder. So remainder is 0, no it is not 0. So again we continue the process. So here 30, A will become the 30 and B value will become the 10. So how many times? 3 times. 3 times of 30 plus remainder is 0. Yes, remainder is 0. So we stop here. Algorithm will be stopped here. And what is the HCF? The value of B at this stage. So HCF is equals to 10. So HCF is 10. So here the answer is, so in each stack we can place 10 barfis. So it will, that kajus and badams will take 13 stacks and kajus will take 42 stacks. So this is the optimal space in the tray area. You got the point? So 130 can be placed in and all are at the same height. So this lesser space only can be taken for kaju.